Welcome to Baking with Saucy Treats. Let's get to it. Before this video starts, let's hit that thumbs up. Today's video, I will be teaching you how to create your own SpongeBob fondant cake with some simple tools. It's easy and simple, fun to do if you have children. Let's get into this video. For this SpongeBob design, you will need 6 different colors, one being white, and the rest is listed above for you to check out. You also have a total of 33 pieces to be exact to complete this project. The list above I have broken into 4 different categories. So you have a category where it will be the bottom part of the SpongeBob, and then you have one for the mouth area, the hands, and the face. Okay, so this SpongeBob that you see here above, I actually use sugar cookie dough. So it's a cookie cake kind of SpongeBob. Place my parts on the sugar cookie before I even colored it, just to give me an outlook on what the SpongeBob would look like. So pretend you got all your colors together and you're ready to smooth your fondant onto the sugar cookie or the cake. You want to make sure you have enough fondant. As you can see in the photo above, I left a lot of extra. I use a fondant cutter and a smoother to trim the sides and make it even. Now you are ready to apply all the shapes that you had cut out and colored. It should look something like this. Don't forget to be creative. SpongeBob has many different looks. You can flip-flop it however you want to. I kind of did a little bit here as you see. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and baking with Saucy Treats. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up.